Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore some of the best foods that promote a healthy gut. Our gut plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even mental health. By incorporating certain foods into our diet, we can nourish and support the beneficial bacteria in our gut, leading to improved digestion and overall gut health. Let's dive into the best foods for your gut health. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a probiotic-rich food that contains beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which help promote a healthy gut microbiome. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt or opt for Greek yogurt for a higher protein content. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with fruits, or use it as a base for smoothies and dressings. 2. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics. These foods undergo a fermentation process that enhances the growth of beneficial bacteria. Including a variety of fermented foods in your diet can help improve gut health and support digestion. 3. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. It helps promote regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial bacteria. Incorporate foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and nuts into your diet to increase your fiber intake. 4. Prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Foods rich in prebiotics include onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. Adding these foods to your diet can help nourish the good bacteria in your gut. 5. Ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the gut and reduce digestive discomfort. They can be used in cooking, added to smoothies, or brewed into teas to support gut health. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that support gut lining health and help reduce inflammation. It is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues. You can use it as a base for soups or enjoy it on its own. 7. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that can benefit gut health. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a delicious and gut-friendly treat. Conclusion. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet can help promote a healthy gut and support overall well-being. Remember to introduce new foods gradually and listen to your body to determine what works best for you. If you have any specific health concerns or digestive issues, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Prioritizing gut health through a balanced diet and lifestyle can lead to improved digestion and a happier gut. Thanks for watching.